The two-day workshop had more participants on the final day as more questions were raised and more dialogue between church leaders and workshop facilitators took place. Dr. James Wangi from the World Health Organization in PNG has been providing information on COVID-19 from a technical perspective but put in simple understanding. With the COVID-19 pandemic having 4 levels of alertness and response, Dr. Wangi says PNG is at a very critical and serious level now at level 4.
Then it goes into a level where there is a lot of transmission throughout the city from different areas of the city. And they're not only that, but there are people dying from it. And we are at that level now. Papua New Guinea, especially in Port Moresby, is at that level, where we are now saying that the situation of COVID-19 is now a community transmission, meaning we don't know where the cases are coming from and they are already dead. So we need to go into both the containment first, trying to contain the spread further, and then going to more on mitigation.
Therefore, the World Health Organization encourages that people strictly adhere to preventative measures, whilst the vaccine is yet to be confirmed, although clinical trials are going on.
We don't have to sit and wait for big vaccines to come or medicines or whatever assistance to come. The power is in our hands at the moment with the new normal to take it as a normal part of our lives. As we wake up, we go around doing our business, and as we go down to sleep, that new normal should be tied into our normal way of living now. That's how Papua New Guineans can contribute to lessening the problem and even hopefully putting the problem out of PNG.
The role of churches in the country in the COVID-19 response has been identified as very vital, given that church populations cater for over 6 million Papua New Guineans in both urban and rural settings.
This workshop is a very educational workshop. As a leader, it's very important that I need to talk to my people about COVID-19. And to help the government is to do my part by not only preaching about the word of the Lord, but also making an awareness to help people in my church to understand that it's a very important issue.
When measures under the new Pandemic Act 2020 were put in place, churches in the country were challenged to come up with a strategy to partner the government and relevant authorities with the aim of containing the virus. PNG Council of Churches General Secretary Reverend Roger Joseph encouraged Christians in his presentation during the sensitization workshop to apply transition by discipleship during the pandemic, as the gospel of Jesus Christ is a lifestyle.
One of those measures was a question to the churches as to how we can be able to come up with a standard of practice so that we can be able to help towards containing the virus. And that became a big challenge for us. So, within the Council of Churches, we discuss ways as to how we can be able to help our churches partner together with the government and with WHO in trying to help towards containing the virus.
Dennis Orere, National EMTV News.